Networking is building relationships through conversation and participation. This benefits you by helping you meet people in your career field who could be resources for you in the future and maybe lead you to new job opportunities. There are three types of networking: professional, social, and personal. Why should you bother with networking? Can it really affect your career? Absolutely. In short, what you know gets you in the room, but who you know gets you a seat at the table. This means your education, qualifications, and experience get you to a position where you can network and apply for jobs. But the connections that you make while networking will get you noticed and considered for more career paths. When you make a new contact, it could open up doors to other contacts and opportunities. Networking allows you to exchange resources, strengthen your position as you navigate your career, and allow you to help others with their career. Starting to network doesn't need to be intimidating. Simply start with who you know and keep building. Current employers, coworkers, instructors, coaches, and community leaders can be part of your network. To grow your network, attend events related to your industry and talk to people. Join organizations in your field of interest. Are there national or regional associations for people with your certification or in your profession? Join them and participate in events and conversations. Start networking. As you talk to more people, maintain a detailed list of contacts and information about each person. Having a reference of what people do, where they work, what they are interested in doing, and their contact information is incredibly valuable when you need to reach out to someone to meet a specific need. It also helps conversations go more smoothly when you are talking to them again or telling someone else about them. Remembering people impresses them and creates trust. Keeping a detailed list also prevents you from forgetting important details or getting people mixed up. In addition to networking in person and within your field, take advantage of virtual networking sites such as LinkedIn, myopportunity.com, Zerply, and meetup.com. These sites allow you to expand your network quickly, but usually with weaker connections than you would make in person. Be sure to watch our other video on strategies for networking using LinkedIn and other social media sites. The most important question to ask yourself in order to guide your networking is, how do I want to be perceived? What do you need others to understand about you in order to meet your career goals? Project that image through your networking. Consider that the impressions that you make and the reputation you gain are the means by which people remember you. Promote what you stand for as you talk to people, and be consistent on how you present yourself online and in person. Remember that others can find you online, so be consistent through social media, even when you are not trying to network. A value proposition is how you show others your worth in your field or industry. When you network, don't focus on your own needs, focus on how the other person benefits from the relationship. When talking to potential employers, focus on what you bring to the table that would make you a good employee to have working for them. Help them understand why someone should listen to you and your ideas. In short, make the other person want to have you in their network. A great way to do this is to become a trusted source of information on your field or industry. Be sure you understand the industry thoroughly. Do research to be sure you have accurate information. Keep up with the new advances and trends in your field. You can become recognized as someone who provides reliable information, opening the door for plenty of future conversations. You can reach out to your career coach to develop strategies for networking. Your coach can also help with career exploration and discovery, creating your resume and cover letter, exploring job search methods, practicing interview skills, and learning to polish your online professional image. Call or email today.